Question number 4 of exercise 7.1 is Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 centimeters, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Firstly, you must know the concept of cubes and cuboids. See, cuboids are the cube and cuboids both are the 3D figures. Okay, I am having a cuboid with me. See, this is a cuboidal box. This is the length of the cuboid, this is breadth of the cuboid, sorry, this is the height of the cuboid and this is the breadth of the cuboid. Okay, when we have to find out the volume of a cuboid, we use the formula L into D into H. And when we find out the volume of a cube, we use the formula side by side by side. Means side multiply by side. Reason is all the sides in a cube are equal. Means this side and this side. All these three sides are equal in a cube. So we can say that if we multiply these three, if we find out volume of a cube, we always get a perfect cube number. We are multiplying three same numbers, so we will get a perfect cube surely. Okay, question is given that we have a cuboid and how many such cuboids should be put together so that it becomes a cube. Okay, for that we have to convert the volume of this into a perfect cubic number. So volume of cuboid that we have, this will be equals to 5 into 2 into 5, that means L into B into H. Volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. Length is 5, breadth is 2 and height is 5. This is equals to 5 2s are 10 and 10 5s are 50 centimeter cube. We always use cubic centimeter or cubic meters for volume. Now this is the volume of cuboid which is not a perfect cube. We need to convert it into a perfect cube so that it becomes a cube. Means we have to combine some cuboidal boxes so that we get a perfect cube. Okay. Now what is to be multiplied this 50 so that it becomes a perfect cube? What should be multiplied with this 50? See, these three numbers are the prime factors of 50 also. 50 is equals to 5 into 2 into 5. If you separately find out the prime factors of 50, you will get the same prime factors. See, is there any complete triplet here? We are not having any triplet here. We are having two 5s and one 2. To complete the triplet, we need one more 5. Because in one triplet we have three same numbers. There are two 5s. If I write down one more 5 here, I will get a triplet of 5. And if I write down two more 2s here, I will get a triplet of 2. That means I need 5 into 2 into 2. These three numbers are required to make this 50 a perfect cube. Okay, and if I get a perfect cube, I will get how many number of cuboids I need. So the number of cuboids required is equals to 1 5 is required to write down 5, 2 2s are required, so write down 2. Now the product of these three, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20. That means 20 cuboids are required to make a perfect cube. First of all, just write down in the product form, means use the formula of volume of cuboid which is 50 centimeter cube. Just check that what numbers are required to complete the triplet and the product of those numbers will become the number of cubes that are required.